This is why most realtors fail with the real estate business. The main reason is people see those realtors who sell hundreds of properties every single year and they make millions of dollars, and they assume that if they get into the real estate business that they're going to be able to make that same kind of money right away. And unfortunately, that's just not true. Being a realtor is super hard. I'm not a realtor, but I do know for a fact that it is a hard business to get into. And if it's something that you're looking to get into, just understand that most people fail at it because they go in with unrealistic expectations. And they also go into the business expecting that they're just gonna have clients fall into their lap. And that is not realistic either. It's going to take a lot of hard work to get those clients in the first place, because you have to make a name for yourself when you're getting into the real estate business, because not everyone's going to know who you are right from the get-go. But the main reason why realtors fail, once again, unrealistic expectations and thinking it's going to be a lot easier than it actually is. It's a lot of hard work, and what they show you on Netflix shows and stuff like that is not the reality of what being a real estate agent actually is. There's a lot of stuff behind the scenes that is not as fun and glamorous as what they show in the shows. It's a lot of paperwork, a lot of cold calling, it's a lot of trying to prospect and try to find new clients. But if you've been thinking about getting into real estate and now you realize that maybe it's not for you, then there are other options that you can look at. I'm an Amazon FBA seller, and that's something that you can get into. It's a home-based business, but it does not have the same kind of failure rate that becoming a real estate agent does.